Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone with family or friends in Rwanda. The video title is, How to Send Money from USA to Rwanda, 2025, and I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most secure ways to do this. Whether you're supporting loved ones or handling business, sending money internationally has never been simpler with the latest tech in 2025. First off, why send money to Rwanda? Maybe you're helping with education, daily expenses, or investments. In 2025, options like mobile apps and digital wallets have made this process faster and cheaper. The key players include services like Wise, Remitly, and even updated bank transfers from major U.S. banks like Chase or Bank of America. These platforms use real-time exchange rates and minimal fees, which is a game changer. Let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose a reliable service. Look for ones with low fees and good reviews. Apps like Wise are fantastic because they offer transparent pricing. Step 2. Sign up or log in. Most services let you create an account quickly using your phone or computer. You'll need to verify your identity, which is straightforward with a driver's license or passport. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. Make sure you have their full name, address in Rwanda, and bank account information. In 2025, many Rwandan banks are integrated with international systems, so transfers can hit accounts in minutes. Step 4. Select your payment method. You can use a debit card, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrencies if the service supports it, though I'd recommend sticking to traditional methods for safety. Now, a few tips for 2025. Always check for any new regulations, as international transfers might have updated compliance rules. Compare exchange rates to avoid hidden costs, and use secure networks to protect your data. If you're sending larger amounts, consider consulting a financial advisor. There you have it. That's how you can send money from the USA to Rwanda hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.